Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home. So we've had our Alen BreatheSmart 75i air purifier for about a year now, and recently the light went on to tell us that we have to replace the filter. So the one we originally got with our unit was a regular HEPA filter. It's really good, but it's not good for smoke. So we decided to give ourselves a little bit of an upgrade. So we got this one. This is the B7 Fresh, and this one is good for smoke, which is great because it's California and it's wildfire season. So when you get the B7, you need to be careful because you see all this black stuff on the back. That's charcoal, and that really helps filter out the impurities like wildfire smoke, but you don't want to touch it because it's kind of dirty. So I'm going to take the other one out right now. It's really easy. There's like a little hole on the side here where you can take off the cover. So this is our old filter. You can see it looks kind of dirty right now. It's pretty easy to pull out. This is the old one. So let me go ahead and put this in. It's got a little thing at the top that said this side in. So you just carefully slide it in. And just push it down. Snaps in place. And you just put the cover on. And it's good. I'll put it back on auto. Okay, once you've got the filter installed, you just press and hold the filter button until the light turns green. And then you're all set. So that's it. That is the replacement Alen BreatheSmart 75i air filter. Thank you.